I hope you can hear me. I apologize for the wind, but we are back at the Great Sand Dunes National Park in just outside Alamosa in Colorado. And yes, it is a large area of sand with dunes that go 900, 1,000 feet high. Nancy and I made it up to where those people are, to that little ridge right up there, and turned around. Jenna and Chris didn't even make it that far. I think Chris got to right about here, and that was it. And Jenna stayed down there. But they're young people. What do you expect? You know, us oldies, we'll go do it. It doesn't matter. But we had a great time here today. There will be a full-length video coming out on the Great Sand Dunes National Park.